So you're gonna wanna get a USB to start with. I'll show you how to do all the formatting if you've never done it before. So find it, right click, format, okay, yes, it's gonna format complete. All right, close that. Once you're selected onto your USB, it's gonna be empty. You're gonna right click, new, text document. Up here, you're gonna wanna click view, show, and show file name extensions. That'll come in later. So we're gonna rename this setup.bat. So right click, show more, rename, setup. Setup.bat, enter. It's gonna say this is gonna change something. Yes, that's fine. Open in Notepad. It's gonna be empty, and I'll send a file that you can download. What you're gonna put in here, just a bunch of code. So I'm gonna paste that code in here. File, save, exit, and now you got your setup.bat. You're gonna want to eject that. That part's all done. Once you push Shift F10, when you're resetting the laptop, it'll pull up terminal. You're gonna type capital D, colon, and then once you're in D, you're gonna type the name of that file, which was setup.bat. And then you hit enter and it does its thing. It's not gonna work on my computer because this is my desktop, but if a bunch of lines of green code come up and it resets in about 5 seconds, then you're good to go. I also wanted to mention that this doesn't work on every computer. It'll work on most computers, but some won't bring up the Shift F10 terminal, but most of them will. So we also just have a dedicated email for logging in, but then you have to take the account off and take the OneDrive off as well. It's kind of a hassle, but we can do that. And then the third option is putting a completely fresh Windows 11 operating system on it that by default is edited to not have the OOBE. That's the cleanest option, but then you have to reinstall the whole software fresh from a USB, so it's kind of a hassle, but that's the couple options that you can do. But this is going to work probably for most computers at least.